He's 18 years old and he got no goals. All he wants to do is get fucked up the most. You got some drugs, he's a damn good host. He needs to get drunk to say hi to a bitch, otherwise he can't lay eyes on a bitch. Confidence can't be bought, insecurities can't be fought. He just doesn't know how, but he does know proud. You can't tell him nothing. A hard head got him fucking thuggin', acting up. Attention he's loving. He packs a strap in his fanny pack, rolling in the car that his mama bought, acting hard in the clothes that his mama bought. To impress the hoes he ain't got. He's low on health, get the doc. Oh, 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 oh. Wandering through life without no direction, don't know where to turn, stop at an intersection. Wandering through life without no direction, don't know where to turn, stop at an intersection. Wandering through life without no direction, don't know where to turn, stop at an intersection. Intense anger, depression, stress, and got his heart weak. Plus he's passive aggressive, can't let his heart speak. Acts a fool, fast food, no exercise, no sexercise, no hobbies, no work, wife, beater, shirt, great mommy. He knows what he's supposed to. He needs a bitch, or better yet, initiative to go and live it big. He needs to get it kicking. Discipline requires repetition, determination, negative thought elimination, along with some patience. Don't sweat it, motherfucker. Go and get it, motherfucker. Your big ego, shed it, motherfucker. He's better than that. Don't be them other busters. Take it to the top and leave them flustered. Don't be scared. Opportunities are there. Fuck protection, going hard, going bare. Explode, boom, and let them stare.